Hello, traders. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the nitty-gritty of making your trading journey not just successful, but also smooth and intuitive with the TakePropips Trading Management Solutions EA. Today, we're zooming into a feature that's a game-changer for making informed trading decisions, the Currency Strength Meter. We'll explore what it is, why it's crucial, and how to leverage it in your trading strategy. So, buckle up and let's get started. Let's kick things off with understanding the Currency Strength Meter. Imagine being able to glance at the market and instantly know which currencies are performing strong and which ones are lagging. That's precisely what the Currency Strength Meter does. It gives you a real-time visual representation of the strength of different currencies, helping you identify potential trading opportunities at a glance. Now, let's navigate to the Currency Strength Meter within our EA. Here you'll see the 8 major Forex currencies along with gold, each with a dynamic meter next to them and a percentage, indicating their current strength in the market. The longer the meter, or the higher the percentage, the stronger the currency, and the shorter the meter, or the lower the percentage, the weaker the currency. The strength meter percentage is calculated based on daily price fluctuations of each currency. Simple, yet incredibly powerful. Alright, with the Currency Strength Meter, your trading strategy can be significantly enhanced. Let's say you observe that the British pound or GBP is showing strength while the Japanese yen is weakening. This could be an indicator to explore potential GBP-JPY trade. But remember, while the Currency Strength Meter is a fantastic tool, it should be used in conjunction with other analyses and indicators to make well-rounded trading decisions. Moreover, the Currency Strength Meter is also invaluable for avoiding trades that might be conflicting. If two currencies are both showing strength, it might be wise to steer clear from trading them against each other, as the direction could be unclear. And here's a quick tip. Keep an eye on economic calendars and news, as these can often impact currency strengths and give you additional insights when using the Currency Strength Meter. Let's walk through a quick example. Here we see the GBP gaining strength while the JPY is weakening. Using the Currency Strength Meter, we could explore potential GBP-JPY trades, further analyzing the pair using other indicators and analyses for a comprehensive trading decision. Once the currency strength percentage reaches 90% or above, the currency will turn green for easier identification, and once the currency strength percentage reaches 10% or below, the currency will turn red. You will also receive alerts once it detected that one of the currencies have reached the 90% or the 10% threshold, and it will also mention a suggested pair, which means there may be trading opportunities for this specific pair. As an example, if the GBP strengthens to 90% and JPY weakens to less than 20%, then it may suggest the pair GBP-JPY as possible trading opportunity. Now, what if you want to track the strength of other instruments such as indices, commodities, stocks, or cryptocurrencies? That's easy. You can add a second row of up to 9 instruments to the Currency Strength Meter section. To add new instruments, go to the Input settings and add the instrument names on this setting. Let's try and add new instruments so we can track the strength on the Currency Strength Meter. Make sure that these instruments exist on the Market Watch window. And now we have successfully added new instruments to the Currency Strength Meter. Now let's look at the buttons besides each instruments on the Currency Strength Meter. The buttons are Buy, Sell, and Close button. These are used to open or close trades for this specific currency. If you click the Buy or Sell buttons, then it will show the Currency Strength Meter Management Panel. This panel allows you to take action and open multiple trades for this specific currency at once. For example, if you want to go long British pound for all the GBP pairs listed on your dashboard, then you can click the Buy button next to GBP on the Currency Strength Meter, and it will open this panel. It will list all the GBP pairs displayed on your dashboard. You can set your own stop loss, take profit, and lot size for each pairs. This will open buy positions for pairs with GBP as the base currency and open sell positions for pairs with GBP as the quote currency. It is the same process for shorting the British pound, except those trades will be in opposite position. The Close button on the Currency Strength Meter allows you to close any open trades for that specific currency. For example, let's try closing the trades we just opened for the GBP pairs. And just like that, all trades for this currency are now closed. And that wraps up our deep dive into the currency strength meter within the Trading Management Solutions EA, a tool that's not just insightful but can significantly elevate your trading strategy when used effectively. Did you find this tutorial helpful? Smash that like button and share it with your fellow traders. If you have any questions or tips on how to use the currency strength meter, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more trading insights and tutorials. Happy trading, and see you in the next video.